Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I've got my 2006 F150. I'll show you where the fuel pump shutoff switch is on this vehicle. Now don't forget, on this shutoff switch, it's designed if you've been in an accident that this will shut off, meaning that the fuel pump will not send any fuel. The idea is it's not gonna pump fuel all over, making a fire hazard, that kind of thing. So before you use this switch and turn it back on, make sure you don't have any fuel leaking. Also, right after you turn on the switch, make sure that you check to see that there's no fuel leaking where it's not supposed to go. All right, let's find the switch. On the passenger side, let's take out this mat. And then there is a little access panel that has our fuses back here. Just grab right here. It opens up kind of like a door. And that just pops off. Okay, so let's make our way down underneath. There's our fuses. Behind the fuses, that's it right there. See that little red ring? Right above that red ring is a button that will pop up. If that pops up, all you need to do is push down on it to reset it. Once you reset it, we'll put everything back together. This cover goes in, these tabs just line up. There's the top, there's the bottom. Pops in like so. This guy back in and you're set to go. Check it out. Here's some more details on that switch, what it does, and when it might be activated. So fuel pump shutoff switch. This device stops the electronic fuel pump from sending fuel to the engine when your vehicle has had a substantial jolt. So if you get in an accident, or I don't know, if you like hit the curb hard, something like that, it might happen. So after an accident, if the engine cranks but does not start, this switch may have been what is activated. So you see a lot of people changing out fuel pumps when all it was is that switch. This switch is located in the front passenger's footwell behind the kick panel access cover to the left of the fuse box. This access cover needs to be removed to reset the fuel pump shutoff switch. To reset the switch, turn the ignition off. Check the fuel system for leaks. If no leaks are apparent, reset the switch by pushing in on the reset button. So again, just pushing down on it. Turn the ignition on, wait a few seconds, and return the key to off. Make sure there are no leaks. So they're really kind of telling you if you're in an accident and some of the fuel lines were disconnected and all of a sudden that fuel pump is sending fuel and it's just pumping it to a hot engine, which might catch on fire. That's the whole idea of this switch, is to prevent that fire from happening. Hey friends, I hope today's video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.